My kid did not make the most informed decision this morning. We picked out this tacky cheap shirt for me. Lucky for you, our software generates scenarios that displays risk and funding forecasts so you can prioritize your assets based on criticality to make the most informed decision based on your budget. By the way, NEXGEN Asset Management empowers your organization so you can create lifecycle plans and funding forecasts based on specific asset classes. The results?
True asset management, my friend. Sweet shirt. We designed NEXGEN Asset Management to maximize the efficiency of maintenance workflows for supervisors, lead workers, and crew. Resources and inventory are tracked in real time for accurate job costing. So everybody wins!
NEXGEN Asset Management was developed and designed by asset management and maintenance professionals who understand what the end users want and need to get the job done with speed and accuracy.
Our integration with the latest technologies means our assets are easy to locate and manage from a desktop or a mobile device. NEXGEN Asset Management allows you to view your asset data via GIS maps, AutoCAD, and even 3D modeling. Yes, very busy. We're shooting a commercial. Ooh, one for me?
To plan for the future, you need to be able to make sense of the past, right? NEXGEN Asset Management. Put your data to work with dashboards and reports designed for truly data-driven decision-making. Hey!
Like this donut, you can take NEXGEN Mobile with you wherever you go, giving you instant access to log your work from remote locations. The offline capability means you and your team can still work in areas with limited reception.
It's time to say goodbye to dreadful setup procedures.
We developed NEXGEN Asset Management in-house, and we back it up with a team of software implementation experts,
Resulting in the most efficient workflows while ensuring compliance
with standard operating procedures.
From custom reports to developing preventive maintenance plans, get ready for true asset management. We are NEXGEN Asset Management, and we got you back. Great meeting, everyone. Back to work.